This is my Unit 7 presentation about normalised data by Jeanette Williams. Qualitative data. The trend was that around 60% of the people that completed my questionnaire did like the current system that their opticians was using. This is good because it means that they were happy and satisfied with the quality of the database that was created to make sure that their appointments were being booked on time. So the opticians the ICT have, the eyes of ICT, could talk to other opticians in the local area to try and see if they can get ideas to see how their databases are run, see if they can improve their databases. Appointment notices. 40% of the people that took my questionnaire found that they did not like the way that the database was being run. This was because the appointment notices were given out very late. Sometimes the wrong person's appointment notice has been given to theirs and theirs hadn't been logged on the system. However, they felt that notices should be given out 2 weeks before. This could help with improving the customer database and how they felt about the opticians. This can be achieved by making a database which is easy to understand, so that perhaps an automated reminder can be sent out to keep the client appointment time and make sure that nothing goes wrong when sending out appointment notices. Quantitative data. Many of the customers would like to see a wider range of glasses in the store, such as Lacoste or Gucci. This can be achieved by putting multiple frames online which would not have been seen in the store otherwise. This will increase the demand for glasses frames, which can increase the customer base. The database can be easily expanded to incorporate a wider selection of frames so that this can be achieved. Personal information should be encrypted to make privacy issues obsolete. By encrypting the data, it means that hackers will find it harder to hack into the system, so that there will be less chance of data being stolen, which means that there is less chance of fraud or identity theft. Another possible thing that they could do is to make tiered level access, so that, for example, new employees wouldn't be able to access any personal information until they've received the appropriate level of training and time in store, so that an insider will not be likely to take the personal information and sell it on. This is my entity relationship diagram. This is the frame sales going from January to December with the frame ID. This is similar with the glasses sales, with the glasses ID going from January to December. These are all different parts of the database, such as everything that you'd need on a customer to be included in the database. This is so input is easy and is time efficient. So you can find out things very easily, such as the delivery date of when a order is going to go through, the order details and the exact products that the person is buying, with the prescription attached as well. As well as this is my data flow diagram, which is a simplified version of the database, showing how all the flows fit into the system. For example, the optician system will have access to the customer's GP, which will have access to the health records, which can be then inputted into the optician system, which can then be used for the eye test. So everything will link together, so that efficient care can be used for the customer. This will mean that less errors are going to occur when the prescription is given and the glasses are eventually received. Overall, my database fits the requirements given by the company, because it includes everything the opticians wanted and everything that the employees wanted as well. It's simple and easy to use. The system is scalable so that when the customer demand increases, the opticians will be able to increase their database as well. This will mean that it will take less time to input data manually, as seen with the ERD, as it has everything neatly labelled so that you are not going to miss anything out, and that there is no redundant data either. This will mean that the data will be able to be managed better, as there will be less mistakes given by the opticians who are inputting the data. Also, it is all in the first, second and third normal form so that it will work correctly and that any redundant data or unuseful data can be taken out so that the database works smoothly and efficiently with a clear layout.